This is Kay Schmallen, and I am going to show you today how to use the research tool, and more specifically how to insert a table into your research tool, because that's one of those things that's little known but can be very helpful. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and start my new document, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the document called How I Came to College. And I would like to go ahead and insert a table, maybe of Upper Iowa, or the comparisons of populations, those kinds of things. So I'm going to go ahead and put my cursor about where I want that table. I'm going to go ahead and go to Tools, and then Research. And my research bar is going to show up over here on the other side. And I'm going to do Fayette County. We'll do that population. Let's see what we come up with. Is this population correctly? That would be helpful. Oh, we don't want Kentucky. We would like Iowa. There we go. Alright, so now I have a table here, but this is only just my web result, so I have to go here to Tables. There, now I have a table. Okay, and when I roll my mouse over those tables, I see Cite, and I also see Export. So first of all, I'm going to click on Cite, and now I have my 1 over there. I'm going to move my cursor to the other side of that 1, so I can put my table right there, and then I'm going to go to Export. Alright, so when I get that, it comes to this new kind of a search page actually, and it's called Tables Experimental. So I have this Export to Google Sheets, and I also have Export to Fusion Tables. I'm going to export to Google Sheets. Okay, now it says successfully exported the table, and I'm going to go ahead and open that spreadsheet. And there it is. Give it a second here to load fully. If it's missing anything. Now, I can copy and paste just pieces of it if I want, or I can take the whole thing. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and take the whole thing, except for that last row. There we go. And hit my copy, Control-C, or Edit. Copy works as well. So now I've got my dancing answer on there, and I'm going to go back to my How I Came to College document, and I'm going to edit, paste, and there's my table. It's now been inserted into my document. And I can clean it up here a little bit. Let's get rid of extra spaces there. Now it becomes just a regular table within my document. I can move the columns around, I can make them bigger, make them smaller, just as I would any other table. And nope, I can almost get in one page. We'll have to mess with that a little bit, see if we can make that a little bit shorter and fit in one page. But that's essentially how you go ahead and insert that table. Now remember, I did that cite, so there's my 1 where it cited it for me. I'm going to clean that up here a little bit as well. Oops, went too far. Edit and undo. And you'll see that, oops, there it is, Fayette County Wikipedia Free Encyclopedia, the link, and then also has a date that I accessed it. So thanks so much, guys, and let me know if you have any questions.